This tutorial basically is going to be how you can stretch your shoes. So if you've got a pair of shoes that that run a size smaller than your actual shoe size, then this hack is actually going to be very helpful for you. So I've got a pair of nude suede court shoes. These are a size 36 and I wear a size 39, but I absolutely love these shoes and I do not want to let it go, so I am going to expand it. Now for this tutorial, you basically just need 2 items. You need a pair of socks, a hairdryer. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to put on a pair of socks, then force your feet into the shoe, then apply heat all over it. So now what happens is, for leather, faux leather, these kind of materials, when heat is applied to it, it expands. And because you're going to be wearing an extra layer of thick socks, by the time it expands and cools around the stocking, it will take that shape, automatically expanding your shoe. So let me try on my socks and get back to this. Okay, so right now I am wearing my pair of stockings, and I'm going to show you with my other foot that doesn't have any stockings. I'm going to show you how tight these shoes are. Like it's literally a struggle, to put on. I'm literally struggling to wear it, but it will eventually fit, but it's really tight. So now I'm going to wear the other pair. Another struggle, but it's essential. Okay, so I have it on, and now we're going to apply heat. So I put on the second pair and I applied my blow dryer to both feet. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wait for like 5 more minutes for the shoes to completely cool, because right now it's a little bit warm, and that's a good thing. So by the time it cools with your feet still in the socks and the shoe, it will take the shape of this new, or it will expand to this new thickness, which automatically makes your shoe easy to wear. Basically makes it become your size. Okay, so I've taken off my socks now. As you can see, still the same size 38 shoes that I was literally struggling to wear before, and I'm gonna try and put it on. Did you see how easy it was to slide in? So the trick is apply heat and then wait it out till it gets cold, then remove your socks. You have a new pair of stretch out shoes. Hope this video was helpful.